Okay guys, today problem solving with consecutive integers, and like I said just a second ago, these things, they show up on those standardized tests all the time. They're very simple, they're not hard, but they can be a little off-putting and confusing if you haven't seen them before, but you're going to see them today, so it won't happen to you. But guys, consecutive integers, those are just numbers that come one right after the other. Okay, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Natural order, this is something that you guys should know, a term you should know. Natural order just means we're putting things in order from least to greatest, okay? Or we're putting things in ascending order. That means that they're climbing, it's getting bigger. Okay, so natural order means the same thing as ascending order, okay? We're all about vocabulary here, building your vocabulary. Even integers, guys, are integers that are divisible by 2. Okay. Odd integers are all the integers that aren't even. Okay, they're not divisible by 2. Easy enough. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 13, 11, 241. Consecutive even integers. Now these are the ones that we need to talk about. Consecutive even integers. If you count by 2's beginning with an even integer, you obtain consecutive even integers like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay? Consecutive odd integers, and don't be confused by this, you also count by 2's. Even though we're looking for odds, we're counting by an even. Odds are every other number, just like evens are every other number. Okay? So when we're figuring out our equations, even when we're working with odds, we're going to add by 2 each time to get to the next odd. All right? So let's look at this first one here. And I need to extend the page for us to look at it. It says, an integer is represented by n. Okay, here's the integer, n. I don't know what it is. Right now I don't care what it is. I just know it's n. All right? And then A says, write the next 3 integers in natural order, so going up, ascending, after n. All right, so here's part A. What's the next number after n? How could I write that? I don't know what it is, but how can I write an expression, a variable expression for it? Jordan? No. No. I could assign it another variable, but I can use this variable to represent the next one. How can I do that, Taro? What would it be? n plus 1. Right? That's the next one. What's the one that comes after that one? Freda? N plus 2. 2 more than the first one, right? And let's go ahead and do the last one here. Jordan, what's the last one? N plus 3. Okay, they said to do the next 3 integers in natural order after n. All right, well, let's look at B. B says, write the integer that immediately precedes n. You know, precede means comes before. Okay? Can anyone tell me what the expression is for the number that precedes n? Read. N minus 1. Take 1 away from it. That gives me the one before it. Okay? Simple. Good stuff. All right? Now, C says, man, y'all are going to be so ready for this stuff. This is easy. Write an equation that states the sum of 4 consecutive integers starting with n is 66. Did I write that right? Let me read that again. Let me see if I can read it better. Write an equation that states the sum of 4 consecutive integers, starting with n, is 66? No, the sum should be 66. The sum of these 4 integers should be 66. I don't know why I didn't write it that way. But let me ask you this. If we start with n, what would I need to write next? Ben? No. The sum is going to equal 66. David? Okay, so this is the first number. I'll do it in a different color. You know what? I'm running out of time. I want to come back. I'm going to rewrite C for us so that it states that it says it the correct way. All right? I'll see you at the next, well, the second part of this example.